Hello, everyone, and welcome back. I'm really happy you are here with me today. Take a deep breath, relax. Maybe you are having a coffee. Maybe you are walking or just resting. That's perfect. Because today we are going to practice real English, simple English, the kind of English you can use every day with your friends. Not difficult English, not textbook English, just natural, easy conversation, the way people really speak. Before we start, if you enjoy learning English in a calm and simple way, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps, and it makes me happy too. All right, let's start. So imagine this. You see your friend, maybe on the street, maybe at a cafe. What do you say? Do you say hello? Yes, that's correct. But with friends, we usually say something more relaxed, like hey, or hi, or hey, how are you? Let's say it together, slowly. Hey, how are you? Good. One more time. Hey, how are you? Nice. Now your friend answers. Maybe they say, I'm good. How about you? And you say, I'm good too. Simple, easy, natural. Listen to this small conversation. Hey, hey, how are you? I'm good. How about you? I'm good too. That's it. Very simple. Now let me ask you, what do you say when you meet a friend? Do you say, hey, or hello? Interesting. After that, your friend may ask you something very common. They may say, how was your day? This is a very important question. You will hear it all the time, so let's practice it. How was your day? Again, how was your day? Good. Now, how can you answer? You don't need long sentences. You can say, it was good, or it was okay, or maybe it was busy. Yes, it was busy means you had a lot to do. Maybe work, maybe study, maybe life. Sometimes we also say, it was a long day. That usually means you are tired, very tired. Now, think about your day. How was your day? Say it out loud. It was good. Very nice. Then your friend continues. They want to talk more, so they ask, what are you doing? Let's practice. What are you doing? Again, what are you doing? And you can answer very simply. I'm watching a movie, or I'm relaxing, or even nothing. Yes, sometimes we say nothing, but we are actually on our phones for 2 hours. It happens. It's okay. Now, maybe you want to make a plan with your friend. You want to go out or meet. What do you say? You can say, do you want to hang out? This is very natural, very common. Repeat with me. Do you want to hang out? Good. Or you can say, are you free today? Or simply, let's meet. Easy, friendly. Listen. Hey, are you free today? Yeah, I think so. Let's meet. Sure. Perfect. Simple English, real English. Now let me ask you something. Do you like to go out or do you prefer staying at home? Many people say, I like staying at home, especially when they are tired. When you are with friends, you also talk about things you like. For example, food, movies, music. You can say, I like pizza. Repeat, I like pizza. Or, I love coffee. Repeat, I love coffee. Good. Be careful with coffee though. Maybe too much coffee. Now your friend says, I like coffee. What do you say? You can say, me too. Yes, very important expression. Me too. Or you can say, same, or I agree. But me too is the most common. Repeat, me too. Good. Now let's make it more natural. When your friend tells you something, you react. You don't stay silent. You say things like, really? Or nice? Or that's cool. Repeat, that's cool. Good. Imagine your friend says, I got a new job. You say, really? That's cool. Yes, very natural, very friendly. Or maybe your friend says, I ate 5 burgers. And you say, really? Maybe too many burgers. And finally, every conversation ends. Maybe you need to go, maybe your friend needs to go. You don't always say goodbye. That sounds a little formal. Instead, you say, see you, or see you later, or talk to you later, or simply, bye. Repeat, see you later. Good. One more time. See you later. Nice.
Now let's put everything together. Just listen. Hey. Hey, how are you? I'm good. How about you? I'm good too. How was your day? It was busy. What are you doing now? Just relaxing. Nice. Do you want to hang out? Sure. Great. See you later. Bye. This is real English. This is how people speak every day.
And remember, you don't need perfect English. You just need simple English, clear English, and practice. Practice every day, even a little. Speak out loud. Repeat. Make mistakes. It's okay. Really, it's okay. And now, I want to hear from you. Tell me in the comments, what do you say to your friends in English? Or what do you like to talk about? Food? Movies? Music? I'm really curious. Thank you for being here with me today. Take care, relax, keep practicing, and I will see you in the next lesson. Bye!